What was supposed to be a dream vacation in Key West is about to hit a massive reef. Officers are called to a local restaurant where a man, highly intoxicated and on a cruise ship layover, decided to take a self-guided tour behind the kitchen counter. As the scene opens, his wife is already in damage control mode, begging him to sit down and shut up. But in the Florida heat, fueled by liquid courage, common sense is usually the first thing to get tossed overboard.
I tried.
Thank you. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Let's go.
All right.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
It's not fine because he's behind the counter.
Yeah, it's fine. Go. Just go, babe. It's fine. Like, there was just...
Sit down.
Babe, all right.
Hey,
All right, babe,
let's go.
Hey, don't touch me.
All right, babe. All right. Stop.
I don't care where you're from. Sit down.
Stop.
Sit down somewhere.
That's it.
Sit down.
It's fine, please.
It's not fine.
He got...
What do you mean it's not fine?
You didn't find out.
Babe.
You don't all that. Show us
An ID.
Show us.
I am. All right.
What is he gonna
It's
do?
fine. Please,
I'm
just
gonna
leave me alone. I have out there. All right,
What are you gonna do?
Keep on.
What are you gonna do?
Keep on.
Stop.
Oh, I can't arrest
Oh,
you.
you
All
can't
right,
arrest me.
look,
I
stop.
can't
For
arrest
what?
you.
For
Leave
what?
him alone.
For what?
Stop. You're
For
good.
what?
You're
For
good.
what? For
You're
what?
good. This is
For
why
what?
you don't drink. Stop.
For what?
Stop.
All right, show him.
That's
For
it.
what?
That's it. You don't even know. It's okay.
Because I know the legal.
Just stop. We're on a cruise. You cannot get arrested right now.
What can you
Stop.
Coast Guard has
stop.
come here. Don't.
Oh my God.
Coast
Just
Guard
stop.
has
Just leave
come
it
here.
alone.
Don't.
No, listen. Can you stop?
That's not the way it works.
Yeah,
it does. Don't.
Stop. You're gonna go to jail and then what? I'm gonna get alone on
You're
the
about to
cruise.
get placed in
All
custody.
right, stop. You're getting arrested and I'm gonna go alone on the cruise. Please stop. I'm done.
I'm quiet.
Yeah, that's it. Stop.
Don't.
Alright, stop. I'm begging you, stop. We're on a cruise.
Fine. I'm saying quiet because.
That's it. Okay, stop. We're on a cruise. You cannot get arrested. Alright, stop. We're on a cruise. You cannot get arrested. Then what? You're gonna be in the Bahamas. Stop. You see? There you go. There you go. There you go, bro. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Now you're gonna be in jail, and then what?
For what? They can't arrest me.
They're gonna arrest you for that.
No, they can't. For what?
So be quiet. Shut your mouth.
I didn't do nothing.
Shut it.
At the very least, disorderly.
All right, please. All right. Look.
That's the sergeant.
Please. Look.
That's
He
the
tried.
sergeant.
He
Sergeant.
tried. Look. He tried
Sergeant,
to
come
talk.
here, bro.
He tried to. Can I
Sergeant.
talk? Can you shut your mouth?
I don't want to talk
Shut
to
up.
you.
All right. Look.
I want to talk to the sergeant.
Look, all he tried to do was
Sergeant.
tip, and the guy like went like this, and said like he like wiped his hand away, and so it set him off. But please, I'm asking you, my kids are home with my parents, and I'm on a cruise. Just let us walk out, and that's it. I'm begging of you.
Ma'am, that's up to him.
Huh?
Ma'am, that's up to him.
Yeah,
Huh?
that's up to him.
And the attitude he's been given so far.
Because
Right.
if he were
Okay, just stop.
here, hold on.
If you act good, we're leaving. Just stop.
Talk to me.
Please, I'm begging of you. We have our
Hey.
kids at home.
Talk to me real quick. Here's the problem.
We
Wait,
did a
hold
pub
on.
crawl, and it's just like
get it.
the guy set him off, and that's it. I'm
Let
begging.
me talk real quick.
All right, babe, okay. I'm talking to stop.
His attitude is going to indicate a continuation if he leaves.
I know. No, we're leaving. We're going back to the cruise. We're
If
fine.
you guys leave here, go back to the. If I get called on him again, he's going to jail.
Right. That's fine.
There's-
Okay, so look, we're good. Can you say thank you? Please
We're
say
not
thank
done
you.
yet.
Hey, say thank you.
I'm saying thank you.
Good.
I'm saying thank you.
He said thank you. He
I
said
want
thank
you
you.
to sit down.
I'm saying
You can
thank
say
you.
thank you after we're
After,
done.
after,
I'm saying
after.
thank you. We're not done
Sit
He
yet.
down.
said
We're not
after.
done
Just
yet.
sit down, please. Hey.
Okay.
No.
Yeah. Wait. I just can't. He's going on disorderly.
Okay.
Let's go.
All right.
Thank you. You see?
Stand up. Put your hands on back.
No, please,
Do that.
don't do this.
Do it? Huh? You better let go of me. Let go of me.
Oh no, I don't want to go. I know. So Oh my God.
Let
Oh my
go.
God.
Let go.
I cannot believe this.
You're about to get seriously injured. You better let go of my collar.
Babe, you did this to yourself.
Stand back. No. Let go.
Babe, stop.
Put your hands behind your back or you're going to get tasered.
Babe, stop.
Okay. Put your hands behind your back or you're getting tasered. I said okay.
Hey, like what?
I said okay.
I Please, no, please.
Please. Why are you guys arresting me for what?
Please
I didn't go over that one. Okay. I can't wait.
Please don't send him to jail, please. Back up. Back up.
Like, boom.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Babe,
Stand up.
babe, look at what you did. I cannot believe this.
Stand up.
Hey, you're not landing with the process. Why do you have to go here? You guys got a lawsuit.
I cannot Oh my God! You need to stay back. You need to stay back. I'm sorry. You need to stay back.
Yeah.
1034 information. Please run her through.
That's too hard, you idiot! You! I said it's too hard. I said it's too hard. It's against my lawsuit. You were not
Alright, babe, please stop.
It's too hard. It's too hard. You have to give me information, though.
Oh my God! I cannot believe you! You good? Dustin,
Go get the last one I had. Yeah.
He's gonna put the window up. He's not gonna stop talking.
Yeah. Does he know your phone number by heart? That is my birthday. Do you have his phone or anything you want him to go with? No, yes. Can I get him out tomorrow? Why? He's gonna have to go to first appearance. I don't know what time that is. Tomorrow, yes. Where are you guys from? Miami. It's my birthday tomorrow. It's like, yeah, like now I'm literally on the boat by myself. I'm literally like, it's like, can I ask you, like, tomorrow's my birthday, like, how can I get him out?
He's not going to be out by tomorrow. I mean, he'll have to go to first appearance tomorrow morning.
What do I do by myself now on the boat?
I mean, you have your ticket. You're going to have to go home or send someone back down, or you're going to have to stay tonight. You're from Miami, right? You're going to have to find a hotel and stay tonight, or you're going to have to go home and then come back down.
Reality finally sinks in for the wife as she stands alone on the sidewalk. She reveals to the officers that tomorrow is her birthday and asks if there's any way he can be out by then. The answer is a hard no. The officers explain the severity of his actions. He didn't just yell, he grabbed a chef and even bit an officer. She's left to navigate the streets of Key West by herself, a sobering reminder of how one person's drunken ego can sink an entire family's vacation.
She made this decision. We tried to allow you guys to go, and you wanted to continue.
You can't let him go.
No.
Absolutely not.
Not after fighting. He's going to jail for sure.
Can I at least talk to him?
No. It's just making matters worse. Every time you talk to him, you got him back up in there.
I don't even know where to begin, where to go by myself. Like,
Go back to the boat.
he'll be able to call you later. Alright, just call him down. That's it.
You have to give me a
reason?
You keep hitting my window like that, I'm gonna end up shackling you.
I don't give a
No,
I get to talk to my girl. I get to talk. Move your foot. Show my hand. I don't care if you break my Let me talk to her.
They were gonna let you go and you kept on. Alright, just let him talk to me, please.
No, it doesn't work like that. He's in custody, okay? He had the opportunity to walk away and he didn't, okay?
You had the
Okay,
opportunity.
you're getting him worked up. You're getting him worked up. So back up.
Okay.
So what do I do now?
Go back to the boat.
You're free to go.
You call down to the county in the morning.
It's Monroe County Sheriff's Office.
How do I get back? Do you know?
How do you get back where?
To the boat.
Yep.
Straight down that way.
Yep. You'll see it as you go down that way. Pretty much all the way at the end. All the way at the end and to your left.
Name Mallory swearing on your GPS.
So he won't be out tomorrow.
Probably not.
Maybe in the afternoon, but he's got to go see the judge first.
Because I'll promise you this, man. If he continues to act this way, the judge is not
Can
going
you
to see him.
can you do me a favor? I'm just asking you from the kindness of my heart. When I leave, talk to him kindly and just tell him what I said.
I've been trying to from the minute we
He's just
walked in.
upset. But tell him if he talks calmly. If he talks calmly, he'll care.
Do you have Paul's in here?
I had gloves on. He didn't break the
Oh,
glove.
okay, okay, okay.
And I pulled him out.
Now he's hanging on the window.
So I got everybody's.
He's gonna break it.
Yeah, he's got his foot up there kicking. Where's that strap? Actually, I have ankle shackles in my bag.
For no reason. You guys hurt me for no reason, bro. There's no reason why I'm in this. Continue to kick my window, I'm gonna put you in. I'm not. You.
That's what let him talk to him. He's right there now.
I'm fine.
Oh, there he is.
I'm fine. You. What do you want to say? I'm fine.
Why did the door?
Because he was trying to kick it.
Trying to break it, kicking it.
I'm fine.
They were going to hobble.
What happened?
So I got here. They were talking to him. What happened is he was trying to fight people. He went behind the counter, grabbed the chef. I'm gonna fight you. I'm gonna fight you. Grabbed him by the shirt.
Any affiliation with
No.
the place? Okay.
Nope. They got here. They're gonna 10-15 him.
Who's this woman here?
That's his wife or girlfriend.
God, why the am I here?
Because obviously you don't understand what's going on.
Obviously I do. I know I have the guns. Why the am I here? I don't care. I just want to be out of this yard. Why am I here? I'm honest.
Apparently you wanted to fight the cook
No,
in the restaurant.
hell no, man. I don't care about that. I'll pay him $30 for him to continue. Why the hell would I care about that?
Okay. I'm gonna take a
I'm
couple
just
pictures
trying to
of it.
finish up this. Get out of here. Hey, continue my vacation. Like I'm on a cruise ship. Like why the would I want to continue?
Dude, I don't know. Where are you from?
I'm not even from here. I'm from North Carolina.
How long you been in Key West?
1 day, today. I just want to go home. I just want to go crazy.
What charges you have on him?
Right now we have battery on the two
chefs.
The two chefs.
And they're pressing
Or just
charges.
one.
Yeah.
Right?
We have battery on the chef. We have disorderly conduct and licensed establishment, and then we have at the very least resisting with. And I think he
Bit Christina.
and so badly
Okay.
And trespassing for going behind.
Where did you get
and
that?
trespassing.
Just on the hand. He tried to grab me, but I pulled away quicker.
Did he grab you by the throat or the collar?
Is that from a bite mark or his nails or hands?
Bite, teeth. And he grabbed me by the collar.
Because I saw him grab for your throat. That's fine.
Yeah.
All right.
He tried, but
Any other marks or bruises? All right. Who's taking him to the jail?
We are.
we are.
All right. Take him to the jail. Download your videos when you're done before you go home. I'll review the video. In your opinion, was it a response to resistance that needs a RI, or do you think it was controlled?
It was a controlled descent, for
Yeah.
sure.
He wasn't
And there were,
slamming.
he was close enough to me. There were no close fist
All right,
strikes
so
or
we'll
anything.
watch the video and we'll determine after that if it's a RI event. It doesn't sound like it is. I mean, there's nothing wrong with taking somebody to the ground to handcuff him. Is he injured or complaining of injury? He didn't say anything to
Nope.
me. All right, gentlemen. Yep.
No, he's too intoxicated to say any of that, though.
Who pulled the case number?
No one yet.
All right, who's?
It'll be
98.
At the station, the charges start piling up like a buffet line. 2 counts of battery, disorderly conduct, trespassing, and resisting with violence. He was ultimately sentenced to 2 days in jail. It was a high price to pay for a few drinks, a 2-day stint behind bars while his family and his ship sailed off into the sunset without him. For this traveler, the vacation didn't just end, it crashed and burned.